Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Best Dota 2 hotkey setup. In today's video, I'm going to tell you what is the best hotkey. So, first off, the best hotkey setup for Dota 2 depends on your preference, but I'm going to give you a little bit of guide that is commonly recommended. So, when you're doing this, the first step is camera. Of course, the camera is to be camera grip, middle mouse button, and makes your dragging the camera smoother without moving your hands away from the key area. And number two, hero abilities. Let's go to hero abilities. So the most commonly used hero abilities is this one. Q W E and the D and QWER. QWER are the most used for the hero abilities. Wait, I'm sorry for this, guys. This is not it's the ability, but QWER is the most common for the abilities because they're so close and it gives you a resting hand position and you can easily use it. For the items, I'm gonna show you what's the best for the items. So the best for the items is, of course, if you're playing Dota, the on the bottom of your key you will see X, Z, X, C, V, and then X, Z, X, C, V, F, G. So those are the best settings because the alternate use the mouse extra button, mouse 4 5 for important active items like blink, dagger, or maybe blocking bar. If you're want to, I'll change it up a bit. Use the mouse buttons in your if you have a mouse buttons, but if you don't have a mouse buttons on your mouse, it's okay. You can just do it the normal way. So as you can see right here, there we go. Add something. Right here. Go. So normally this is Z X C V B N. So you're just gonna change the B to an F and N to a G. So let's to change that. Let's go here and then click right here. Change it to a F. Then this one change it to a G. There you go. There you go. It's much more easier and easy to reach your fingers. Yeah, there you go, guys. Right there. And next is if you're using a unit controls, like a unit control hero, the best one and using that is using a control number. So creating new groups is much easier, and of course, when stop them in crucial canceling attack, of course S. So that is very what they call this? It is already set in your default option, so you don't have to change anything there. But the units control, you don't have to change anything in your settings. And next is the courier. So the courier, of course, courier, just click F2 or maybe space for the courier. So if you want, you can change it the courier to space, but to return it, you can do the controls control space or maybe control F2. So yeah, there you go. So F2 courier, and then to bring back your to return to your courier, you can do control F2 or maybe space control space like that, something make it more easier. Now you don't have to left click here then right click back, left click here, right click back, like that. So it makes the job more easier, so you can more focus on your what they call this hero. So yeah, there you go. And yeah, that's about all of it. So and I'm gonna give you a quick tip for you guys. Just a quick tip for you guys. Um, First tip is quick cast. So what I mean by that, enable quick cast for abilities and items via settings. This allows casting without needing to click, speeding up reaction. By normal cast on Alt plus QWER if needed for precision. And my second tip is minimap interaction. So you need to more interaction with your minimap. Just enable minimap right click for teleportation or pings. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And those are the best Dota 2 hotkey setup based on my research and based on my experience on playing Dota 2. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.